Steel reinforcement bars increase a door's kick-in resistance by creating a continuous steel path that redirects and absorbs force away from the lock and jam. When installed horizontally across or behind the door, they transfer impact through the door into the framing so that a concentrated blow no longer focuses on a small section of wood. Use bars sized to fit snugly against the door face and secure them into the framing with long structural screws that penetrate the studs by at least 2.5 inches. Combine bars with an expanded strike plate that is secured with the same long screws so the load is shared across the plate, bar, and framing rather than the lock set alone. For hollow core or thin solid doors, consider installing a full-length reinforcement plate or a reinforced solid core infill before fitting the bar so the bar has a solid substrate to bear against. When fitting around decorative panels, cut precisely and use surface mounts that spread load over a larger area to avoid crushing thinner door sections. Check alignment and clearance carefully so the bar engages fully when the door is closed and does not rely on latch friction to carry the load. 3 common mistakes undermine performance and how to fix them. Relying on short screws that only bite into trim or jamb material leaves the system anchored to weak wood, so replace them with screws that reach into the studs to transfer force into the structure. Installing bars into a hollow door without reinforcing the interior will let the bar punch through the thin shell. Add a solid core insert or a reinforcement plate behind the bar. Assuming the lock alone with an upgraded bar will be sufficient overlooks load paths and connections, so always pair bars with an expanded strike plate and check that all fasteners are tight and the framing is sound. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work related to door reinforcement projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.